This is the digital churn. It is the result of posting endlessly across mismatched accounts and fragmented profiles, creating a high volume of content that earns almost no traction. Most people assume the solution is a hidden trick, finding a magic switch in the settings or a specific time of day that will finally force the algorithm to notice them. If you look at the data, the failure is usually much simpler. When your usernames and profile bios and content pillars do not align, you create a profile that is impossible for a computer to categorize. You are providing noise instead of a legible signal. To fix this, we have to view a social media presence as a mechanical system. It requires 3 synchronized gears working together: identity, discovery, and platform fit. Moving away from random posting toward this synchronized account system is how you stop spinning your wheels and start building actual authority. We start with the identity layer. Your profile is not a digital business card. It is a conversion surface. You have about 3 seconds to establish trust before a visitor scrolls away. Your handle is your literal digital address. When you use different names across TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you create friction that prevents people and search engines from finding you. The bio needs to follow a specific formula. Instead of a list of labels like consultant or artist, it should state exactly who you help, the outcome you provide, and a clear reason for the visitor to trust your expertise. This side-by-side shows why the technical details of your image matter. On a mobile feed, your photo is compressed into a tiny circle. The high-contrast, tight crop on the right ensures your face is recognizable even at that scale. Standardizing these elements across every platform creates a single, unified signal. It ensures the audience understands your value proposition before they ever click play on a video. Recommendation algorithms are reactive signal readers. The system scans your content for data points, like topic markers, dwell time, saves, and shares. It then verifies if the people engaging match the audience promised in your bio. When aligned, your account is categorized as reliable. Platforms prioritize predictable patterns. If you consistently provide the signals the system is designed to read, your content is distributed to the right audience. Triggering the algorithm is the natural result of providing the clear, consistent data signals that the platform needs to do its job. The third system is platform fit. You keep your identity layer identical everywhere, but you adapt the physical format of your content to suit the environment of each specific app. You do this by developing 3 or 4 content pillars, like educational tips or behind-the-scenes looks. These pillars ensure that everything you post reinforces the same brand position. You then deploy these pillars based on the platform's strengths: short-form proof for the TikTok feed, detailed, searchable tutorials for YouTube, professional authority on LinkedIn, and visual, evergreen discovery on Pinterest. Success across different platforms requires this balance: a rigid, unyielding profile layer combined with a content layer that speaks the native language of the platform you're on. To keep these systems synchronized, you need a pre-published checklist. This is your operational barrier against the habit of posting random, unoptimized content. Before you post, ask: is the handle consistent? Is the bio specific? Is the image recognizable? And is the content pillar clear? If the answer is no to any of these, the post isn't ready. This move toward a structured workflow changes how you operate daily. You stop guessing what might go viral and start managing a repeatable system that aligns with how these platforms actually function. When you master these mechanics of legibility, you turn scattered social media efforts into a cohesive engine for discovery. You can master this entire operating system by taking the free 2-hour Conquer Social Media workshop on The Great Discovery at thegreatdiscovery.com.